there goes soap.
Oh, it's
do a little more.
dripping.
It is, yeah. Well, you see all my plastic. That's why we had to put that down. 'Cause I'm a little bit of a drippy pourer.
I'm not gonna
Okay. And now,
Good call, Vera.
this one down. I have baking soda. So I need to put some scoops in. Put this here.
baking soda.
Baking soda is a white powder.
It makes it heavier, so it goes.
I'm going to take one big clump, put it in our cup, and I'll pick it all up for us to see. Don't worry. I'm going to put another, oh boy, another big clump. Drop it on in. And I'll pick it up so all of us can see. There we go. In there, but now we need to crunch it up. Crunch, 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 crunch. We need to stir it. Bless you.
Bless you.
And we need to pour it on in. Once we do, our volcano will start to make bubbles. So many bubbles, it pushes out of the top and erupts. You ready? Let's get in with a whispering countdown starting at 10. 10, 9,
8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
see? Oh my God, it just keeps erupting and erupting and erupting. Oh, goodness gracious.
I know what we're going to do.
Oh, it just keeps